In sharing a couple relationship, there must be a latent dissatisfaction waiting for time to be expressed or a feeling of anger and discouragement that occurs. This is due to the attitude of the couple who each do not care about their partner's feelings. Without them realizing, this will make the relationship more strained and the possibility of the relationship being destroyed is very high. First, often ask about what the partner feels. For example, if a partner feels discouraged or sad and disappointed. In this way, your partner will feel appreciated and can create a harmonious atmosphere in your relationship. Next, learn to tolerate each other. If you feel that winning yourself is a satisfaction, stop now. Self-important people should not be in a relationship. Be aware that if you give in, it can also prevent arguments compared to stabbing the tongue, which can only hurt each other's feelings. Apart from that, give time for your partner to be alone for a while. Based on the logic of reason, the first 10 minutes of the fight only contained anger. In a state of anger, we are not thinking sanely because we are haunted by anger in ourselves. After that, persuade your partner gently and kindly because at that point he is done fighting with his own head. Furthermore, show how you appreciate your partner by giving him a surprise or spending more time with your partner. Believe me, you can maintain a good atmosphere in a relationship by filling the time together. Spending time alone can make your partner feel neglected and unwanted. Making a surprise even if it's not on the birthday or the anniversary of the relationship can increase love and make the relationship more whole. The last one is, keep the limits of association with other people of the opposite sex. For example, not making out too much with another woman or other man to protect your lover's feeling. In the meantime, you can prove your loyalty to each other. Also, your lover will be sure that you are in a serious relationship and not just playing with his feelings. In conclusion, appreciate your partner and take good care of him because once you enter into a relationship, you need to think about your partner too and not just yourself. Give your partner enough love to guarantee a lasting relationship. However, ups and downs in a relationship are certain. Then, strengthen your mind to face the upcoming obstacles. I hope my sharing this time is useful and helps you. Thank you and hope to see you in the next video.